Michael Masserang here again. Today we're at another house in Charlotte in the 28210 zip code. I was asked to investigate a rotten fill plate in the crawl space. That's confirmed. And the source of this issue, this is a stamped concrete hardscape that surrounds the back of the house. We've got below grade vent wells. This is something that you really don't want to do, is have below grade vent wells of this magnitude, and then they fill with debris, and good God almighty, water's just pouring right in through these. So unfortunately, because it is concrete, what's happened is the level of the concrete is higher than the sill plate, and they didn't put a proper seal here. So this is really important when you're going to put decks on the back of a house. Make sure it's flashed properly. If you're going to pour concrete, make sure that the concrete professional does properly seal between the house and the interface between the house and the concrete, and also that they dig it out properly so that the level of the concrete is not above the sill plate, because all that's going to happen is you're going to replace the sill plate with pressure treated lumber. It's just going to rot out again until this is corrected. So probably the best solution here is to saw cut some of this out and abandon these vent locations, actually brick them in and just get rid of them, waterproof this back wall, and then re-pour the concrete. That's probably the only option here if they want to correct it properly. The rest of it's just pretty much managing the problem. You can re-caulk around the, dig out the old caulk joint, re-caulk it, maybe dig out these vent wells really deep, put a bunch of gravel on the bottom, and try to polish them up as best as possible, but it's still a Band-Aid. This is just a bad design, and if you're thinking of doing it this way on your house, think twice, because it could be a very expensive replacement or repair to actually get the moisture away from the crawl space. So again, thanks for joining us. Give us a call if you need some more information about this, but definitely something you don't want to do. Thanks for joining us. Take care.